body has been found today. So what's your opinion on that?
See, first at Tiruvallur, one Orissa migrant labor was attacked. Then another migrant labor at Coimbatore. Now the Bihar migrant laborers have been killed 2 days back. See, it shows that the venom that has been spread against all non-Tamil people by the Dravidian stock, chauvinistic government, is responsible for all these things. Because DMK is known for spreading hatred against all issues, like they have been spreading hatred against Hindi, against Hindus, against Brahmins, against North Indians, especially Biharis. So the DNA of Dravidian stock is anti everything. So even if the Honorable Chief Minister has got an iota of self-responsibility and self-respect, he would resign on this count. I demand that, but I don't think that he would yield to decent demand.
Kanimoni Karnataka has once again stated a comment on Hindi portion saying that the scenario started from Kallakudi, it is even now going on, stating the
See, I know what happened in Kallakudi. That was the drama enacted by Mr. M. Karunanidhi. No train, nothing, but he was keeping his head on the rails. So such dramas will no longer be accepted by the people of Tamil Nadu. They won't relish all these dramas, and that too, yesterday's killing of one Bihar family, Kanimoli's statement is responsible. I would go to that extent because you people hate everything other than Tamil Nadu limit. So that shows you that DNA is so dangerous, and you